so much for joining me. Hope you are doing great. So what is for lunch? I'm having seafood boil. I have some Dungeness crab, some boiled shrimp, and some roasted potatoes. I'm so hungry. Alright, if you like this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe so I can make more videos just like this for you. Alright, let's get started. Let's eat. I'm going to put this to the side because there's no way I can eat on this plate. I don't have enough space. All right. Also, I have some sauce here for my crab. I have some lemon juice. I like lemon juice with seafood. I have some chimichurri sauce. That's how you say it, how you pronounce it. Some green chili sauce. And I have some leftover cocktail sauce from Captain D's. Alright, let's eat. Okay, I'm gonna start with the shrimp before I dig into the Dungeness crab because I already know it's gonna be a lot of work and I'm not prepared for it, but you know what? You gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, okay, this is the shrimp. These are big shrimp. It's a Costco shrimp. This is from Costco, the shrimp and the Dungeness crab. Alright, I'm gonna start off with green chili sauce, guys. Yum! Cheers! So good. If you can join me. Potatoes. All right. Look at the size of this. My goodness. All right. So how are you doing? How was your day? What did you eat? Let's see if you can see the sauce. You can see the sauce. Sorry. Alright. Alright, got this part. Woohoo! Look at that. Look at that meat. Green chili sauce. Cheers again. Oh god. I'm happy. Cocktail sauce here. Shrimp. Alright. I think we crack this in one crack without having to destroy the meat. Let's see. I don't think I got it. Oh man. Let's see. Oh, I got it. Perfect. Oh my gosh, that was perfect. All right. Let me just go do with the cocktail sauce. I'll go with the cocktail sauce. So good. Sweet, meaty. like Dungeness crab better than snow crab. I'm happy. This is going well. So far it's going well with my getting the meat out from the Dungeness crab. Potatoes. Gets a little messy too. So my next thing I want to try is king crab. Oh, I want to try king crab so bad, but it's expensive. You know, I'm like, is it worth it? Would it be worth it? But you know what? I'm gonna try it, and you will see it. I was at Costco the other day and I was like, king crab. I don't think they ever go on sale. I think just one king crab, like one leg, will fill you up. Because it's so large, you know? Get all that meat in there. I try to eat every part of this so I don't waste it. I hate wasting food. So I try to finish everything I order, I eat, I have on my plate. You know, growing up, my mom was always like, make sure you finish your food. You know, growing up we were poor, so it was like, nothing goes to waste. Make sure you finish your food. If you can't eat it, don't get it. That's what she would say. You can't eat it, don't get it. Sorry, if you can't finish it, don't get it. So I always try to finish everything I eat. Or at least try to, or want to, at least try to. You know what I mean. Just because I don't finish it on my plate here, doesn't mean that I won't finish it later on. So just know that when I eat my food, I don't finish it all while recording. That doesn't mean that I'm not gonna finish it later on. I'm gonna be doing some recording, some reviews, some restaurants soon. I've been wanting to do that lately. I just gotta find the right microphone for my camera. I was recording a while back last year without a microphone, just a external microphone without on me. That's what the one that's on me. And I noticed that the background was so noisy that you couldn't really hear me. So once I get a right microphone for my camera, I'll do more recordings. I mean, more recordings at restaurants. There's a sushi restaurant that I really want to try, the sushi buffet. You never heard it? That'll be my first one. I love sushi. This shrimp is really good with the onions, cooked in onions and garlic. It's like kind of sweet. Do you like seafood? And if you do, what type of seafood? I love crab too. Bull crab. In Georgia, it's really expensive. Sorry if you heard that. That was someone driving by with a really loud engine. Alright. So I can get meat out in this. I think that Dungeness crab is, of course, more meaty. The snow crab, but it's also sweet. It has a slight sweetness to it. I think every snow crab that I have had, it's so salty. I don't know if they like, in the stores, they buy it and they boil it and put more salt on top of it. But it's so salty. Cheese right here. So refreshing. Potato. That was delicious. That was delicious. I hope you enjoyed it. I surely did. This is kiwi strawberry soda. Excuse me. Alright, that is all for now. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you on the next one.